Hello, my name is Taya and welcome to Preston Audi. Today I'll be talking about this brand new Audi A3 Black Edition finished in the modern district green paintwork. This brand new model comes with a 1.5 litre 35 TFSI engine with 148 horsepower and manual transmission, delivering an impressive fuel efficiency. The top features include the striking LED headlights that animate when the car is unlocked, paired with dynamic front and rear indicators for great visibility, large 19-inch alloy wheels, rear privacy windows for passenger comfort, electric folding wing mirrors, sleek badging around the entire vehicle including S-Line and A3 badging, in addition to stylish blacked out Audi rings from the Black Edition spec to give that dramatic look, and this is all topped off with front and rear parking sensors paired with a rear parking camera for awkward manoeuvres. This is alongside an electric tailgate that reveals a spacious 425 litre boot capacity for all your travel essentials, so you'll be covered whether it's a family day out or weekend road trip. Moving inside, you'll be greeted with illuminated front door sill trims with the S logo, along with a SONOS 3D premium sound system for you and all your passengers to enjoy clear, crisp audio. In the rear, you'll find a luxurious full leather trim for that premium look and feel, in addition to a pull-down armrest with built-in cup holders and rear climate control with two USB-C charging ports. The front houses the multifunctional flat-bottom leather steering wheel, complemented with a classy passenger dashboard, along with a large central touch display, climate control, a central console, and S-embossed front full leather seats. The steering wheel offers various audio controls with the option to navigate around the virtual cockpit screen, including vital driving data, audio and telephone connection, and even a full view display of the built-in navigation system. The cruise control and speed limiter features are also available to assist out on the open road. Moving across, the large central touch display houses similar options, including various radio and telephone connection and navigation for assisted travels. From here, you can also find wireless connection of Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. You can also access and adjust the interior lighting, where you can choose from a range of colours to set the ambient lighting to your personal preference. You can also access Audi Drive Select, which offers a range of driving modes to suit you, whether it be for comfort or for any other preferred driving style. You can also view the reversing camera when manoeuvring the vehicle. Just below, the 3-zone climate control offers a personalised temperature to meet you and your passengers' needs, with optional heated front seats that are also available. This is alongside the central console that features a gear stick, 2 cup holders, a central armrest that reveals the hidden compartment, and a wireless charging pad with 2 additional USB-C charging ports. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.